Let's talk dehumidifiers. This bad boy is the Vantage LGR 3000. But first, I'm going to talk to you about the Vantage 1500. At saturation, this unit can pull 150 pints per day. With 325 CFM, and it only pulls 7.3 amps. The rotomolded design is durable and protects unwanted damage to your customer's property. This unit comes with 410 refrigerant and a rotary type compressor. Now, the Vantage LGR 3000, the undisputed industry leader in water removal. At saturation, this unit pulls out 300 pints per day. That's 300 pints. At 450 CFM and only draws 12 amps. The unit's housing is constructed out of coated aluminum for superior durability. Comes equipped with 410A refrigerant, rotary type compressor, and advanced LGR technology. How about that?